Get ready for the next evolution in the world of biking. The Honda CB Shine 2025 is here to redefine your ride. Hey there, fellow riders. Welcome back to Biker's Choice, the place where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles. Today we're diving into something exciting, the launch of the all-new Honda CB Shine 2025. This iconic bike has evolved, and we can't wait to give you all the details on what makes this version a true game-changer for both new and seasoned riders alike. Buckle up, because we're about to explore the innovations, design upgrades, and features that set the CB Shine 2025 apart. The legacy of Honda CB Shine. The Honda CB Shine has been a popular choice for riders for over a decade. Known for its smooth performance, stylish looks, and reliability, it quickly became one of India's best-selling motorcycles. But the 2025 model is more than just a facelift. Honda has taken everything we loved about the CB Shine and dialed it up a notch. This new version is designed for those who crave more power, more comfort, and of course, more style. A bold new look. When you first lay eyes on the Honda CB Shine 2025, the first thing you'll notice is its sleek, modern design. Honda has given the bike a more aggressive front end with sharper lines, a new LED headlamp, and updated bodywork that screams sophistication. The new color schemes and chrome detailing add a premium touch, while the updated fuel tank design improves aerodynamics and overall aesthetics. The design is fresh, but it still retains the classic Honda CB Shine DNA, a perfect balance of modernity and tradition. More power and efficiency. Honda has taken performance to the next level with the CB Shine 2025. The bike is powered by a new upgraded 125cc engine that delivers better performance without compromising on fuel efficiency. This engine is more refined, offering smoother power delivery and improved acceleration. Whether you're commuting in the city or cruising on highways, the CB Shine 2025 promises an exceptional riding experience. Plus, the addition of a 5-speed gearbox gives you that extra edge for longer rides and better gear ratios, ensuring top-tier performance on every ride. Smart features for the modern rider. In 2025, riding isn't just about performance. It's about staying connected and comfortable. The Honda CB Shine 2025 introduces some exciting tech upgrades. The fully digital instrument cluster offers a clear and easy-to-read display with all the essential information at your fingertips, including trip meters, fuel efficiency, and gear position indicator. But that's not all. The Honda CB Shine 2025 is also equipped with advanced smart technology, such as smartphone connectivity for navigation and call notifications. The new LED lighting system ensures better visibility, keeping you safe whether it's day or night. Safety. Ride with confidence. Honda has always put a strong emphasis on rider safety, and the CB Shine 2025 continues that tradition. The bike comes with CBS, Combi brake system, ensuring smoother braking even under tough conditions. The addition of dual disc brakes gives you added stopping power, giving you more control in emergency situations. With a more robust suspension system and a slightly lower seat height, this bike not only offers superior stability, but also ensures a comfortable ride, even on longer journeys. Pricing and availability. Now let's talk about the most important part, the price. The Honda CB Shine 2025 is expected to be competitively priced in the 125cc segment, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious riders. It's set to hit dealerships across the country in the coming months, and while specific pricing details will vary, Honda promises that the 2025 CB Shine will remain affordable while offering more value for money than ever before. Conclusion. If you're in the market for a reliable, stylish, and tech-loaded motorcycle, the Honda CB Shine 2025 is definitely worth considering. It brings the best of both worlds, exceptional performance and cutting-edge features, all wrapped in a beautiful new design. Whether you're a commuter looking for a smooth ride or someone who loves to hit the open road, the CB Shine 2025 is built to impress. So, what do you think? Will you be upgrading to the new Honda CB Shine 2025? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful, and subscribe to Biker's Choice for more updates on the latest bikes and gear. Until next time, ride safe and keep those engines roaring.